Assalamu alaikum, I'm Rida Naseem from OCLP UMT. I'm here again with another book review which is about what color is your parachute. This book is a practical manual for job hunters and career changers, which is written by Richard N. Bowles. Richard N. Bowles updated his parachute every year, and why he updated his parachute every year, it is the reason behind the updation is that job or career changes every year, depending on the circumstances, depending upon the economic and technical and many more things. You can see, for example, if we talk about this year, when all of us are hit hard by the COVID-19. So because of this COVID-19 scenario, the job market also changed. The employment rate, the market demand, everything has changed completely. So you have to change yourself accordingly. And for this purpose, Richard N. Bowles has already published his 2020 version of what color is your parachute regarding the job market and job hunting, and what the employers demanding from the employees. So this book is not just about the career development, this is also about the personality development. Like आप में कौन से यूनिक ऐसे फैक्टर्स हैं जिनको आपको पॉलिश करके अपने आप की जो पर्सनालिटी है उसको ग्रूम करना चाहिए, ताकि आप एक करियर को और आपकी जो पर्सनालिटी है इन दोनों को एक प्रॉपर अलाइनेशन के साथ, एक प्रॉपर अलाइनमेंट में इसको एक ट्रैक के ऊपर लेके आ सकूं. बिकॉज ये एक ऐसी चीज़ है कि लाइक अगर आपके पास बहुत सारे जॉब स्किल्स हैं, आपके पास इंटेलिजेंस है, कॉन्सेप्ट है, ब्रेन है, टैलेंट है, लेकिन आपकी पर्सनालिटी ग्रूम नहीं है, यू आर नॉट कॉन्फिडेंट how to publicize your talents, how to publicize your skills. तो वो एक आप कह सकते हो कि एक sort of ना कुछ चीज़ लैक कर रही है. Something is missing. You can see properly that something is missing. आपकी जो presence है वो आपकी personality को match नहीं कर रही, या जो आपकी जो personality की presence है वो आपकी skills को match नहीं कर रही. सो दोनों को साइड बाय साइड साथ लेके जाने के लिए इस बुक में प्रॉपरली स्टेप बाय स्टेप एक गाइडलाइन प्रोवाइड की गई है. क्योंकि जो हम देखते हैं कि जो जॉब मार्केट है वो हर साल ड्रामेटिकली चेंज हो रही है. जस्ट लाइक द केस विद दिस ईयर, हमारी जो जॉब मार्केट है वो चेंज हो गई है. वेदर इट इज़ in a good way or in a bad way, we have to adopt these changing job marketization. So इस changing marketization को adopt करने के लिए और आपने अपने आप को किस तरह से groom करना है और आपने किस तरह से अपने आप को देखना है कि आप इस जो corporate world है इसमें अपने आप को set कर सकोगे, इस step by step guideline को explain करने के लिए we have nominated certain members from OCLP जो आपको explain करेंगे कि क्या उन्होंने लर्न किया इस बुक से और किस तरह से आपने इस बुक में से जेम्स को कलेक्ट करना है और उनको कलेक्ट करके किस तरह से अपनी लाइफ को उस करियर डेवलपमेंट के लिए उस ट्रैक के ऊपर लेके आना है. So let's begin with the team members जो आपको explain करेंगे what they have learned from this book and what they have for you, because there's a thing that always define what you want to do with your life and what you have to offer to the world. Because in terms of because if you do not present your best talents, your skills and the gifts you got in yourself, then the job title is just a mere thing. ये जॉब टाइटल और जो टैलेंट्स हैं इन दोनों का मैच होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. So let's begin with the step-by-step guideline. Thank you so much.
Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Farah. I've been working at OCLP as a digital leader and job portal administrator. Recently I've studied a book, What Color is Your Parachute? That is the world's most popular job hunting guide. It gives us perspective on the job market. This book reveals very surprising and advise us on what works in today's world that will yield results. It has different chapters from which I will be explaining first 3 chapters. The first chapter is it's a whole new world full of job hunters. In this chapter, the author guides us that employers changed, but job hunters didn't. The rules of the games have changed with the passage of time. The job hunt is behaving differently now that it used to in previous times. Things have changed dramatically. What used to work previously now doesn't work anymore. हम पहले क्या करते थे, अगर हमें जॉब चाहिए होती थी, if we are out of work and we are searching for a job, so we have to develop a resume and वो हम different job sites पे, websites पे, social media पे, different job boards पे vacancy search करते थे और उसके against apply करते थे. तो हमें few weeks या months के बाद job offer हो जाती थी. But now the situation is different. Job hunting is more difficult and challenging now. Nothing is same as done previously. So what you have to do is change your strategies with the passage of time. As employers भी अपनी strategy different रखते हैं. As good times और bad times में वो different way में hunt करते हैं. As in bad times, as in good times, mostly people are employed. तो वो जो it becomes difficult for employers to hire candidates for any position in their organization. So they post their jobs on different social media platforms and on their websites, on different job boards as well, and evaluate the candidate on the based on their resume. But when the economy is bad and the situation is tough, challenging, so it is very easy for employers to hire people, and they don't post their jobs on social media and all job portals. So what we have to do is we should also change our strategies according to the way the employers change their tactics of hiring employees. Second point is the way jobs are done in today is changing dramatically. Jobs की nature भी change हो रही है with the passage of time. As अब पहले बहुत technical jobs हुआ करती थी, अब now corona, as you can see the corona situation, इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा लोग unemployed हुए हैं. Most of the jobs are vanishing now. और फ्यूचर में लोग कह रहे हैं कि रोबोट्स विल टेक प्लेस ऑफ मोस्ट ऑफ द एम्प्लॉयज. लेकिन बात यह कि अगर टेक्नोलॉजी एडवांस हो रही है तो उसके साथ न्यू जॉब्स भी फ्लरिश करेंगी. तो उसके लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, उसके साथ साथ हमें अपनी स्किल्स भी एनहांस करनी पड़ेंगी. वी हैव टू लर्न, ट्रेन आवरसेल्व्स, एनहांस आवर स्किल्स टू सर्वाइव इन दिस री-इमेजिन्ड वर्ल्ड. So we have to begin by knowing ourselves better. हम अपने आप को समझें, हम में क्या इंटरेस्ट है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम अपनी स्किल्स एनहांस करें और चेंज विद द पैसेज ऑफ टाइम. इसके लिए हमें एक और काम करना पड़ेगा. हमें सोशल मीडिया पे ज़्यादा एक्टिव होना पड़ेगा. हमें अपनी नेटवर्किंग इंक्रीज करनी पड़ेगी. We have to become more and more popular on LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp, Skype, because job hunters and employers have figured out how to use them in the job hunting process. Second chapter is Google is your new resume. When you are out of work and you are searching for a job, what you have to do is you have to develop a resume. पहले यही होता था. हम एक पेज पे अपनी समरी लिख लेते थे जिसमें हम we have described all our work that we have done in the past. But now the employer wants to know what kind of person you are in present and what kind of employer you will be in future. For that purpose, they search your name on Google. Your new resume in town is called Google. They search you on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, and try to know what kind of person you are, what skills you have. And mostly बहुत ज़्यादा लोग reject भी candidate हो जाते हैं after employers view their social media platform, because उसमें बहुत सारी grammatical mistakes होती हैं, spelling mistakes होती हैं Facebook, LinkedIn पे. So what you have to do is especially don't spread bad word of mouth of your previous employers. It creates a very bad impact on the employer. So what you have to do is just edit, fill in, and add, expand your network and your edit and fill your resume accordingly. What you have to first part is edit. What you have to do is try to know yourself. Make a list of adjectives that you think you must have if in order to be considered for a job by the employer. आपके पास कौन सी क्वालिटीज कौन सी स्किल्स होनी चाहिए जिससे कि एम्प्लॉयर आपको कंसिडर करे एज कम्पेयर टू अदर डिफरेंट अदर 100 of people that are just applying for the same position that you are applying for. So for example, professional, experienced, hardworking, disciplined, honest, trustworthy, kind. So इस तरह की आप लिस्ट बनाएं और उसको अपने हैशटैग्स के साथ अपने सोशल मीडिया, फेसबुक, लिंक्डइन प्लेटफॉर्म पे यूज करें. एंड सेकेंड वन इज फिल इन. मोस्टली आपने क्या करना है कि अपनी लिंक्डइन, ट्विटर को प्रॉपरली उस पर एक प्रोफाइल डेवलप करनी है. इनकम्प्लीट बिल्कुल ना रखें, उसको टाइम टू टाइम अपडेट करते रहें और मोस्टली ऐसी चीज़ें रिमूव करते हैं दैट यू हैव पोस्टेड और अलाउड अदर्स टू पोस्ट ऑन योर वॉल दैट कंट्राडिक्ट्स द इम्प्रेशन यू वांट टू क्रिएट ऑन योर एम्प्लॉयर. LinkedIn is very important and it is the professional network for HR employers that mostly HR employers use LinkedIn to hire for the vacancy they have in their organization. So if you are not on LinkedIn, please create your account on LinkedIn because mostly क्या होता है कि employers अपनी job vacancies अपने जॉब पोर्टल पे या कहीं पे पोस्ट नहीं करते and they look for candidates on LinkedIn. So please create a profile on your LinkedIn and what you have to do is describe yourself. अपलोड अ फोटो जो कि प्रोफेशनल होनी चाहिए, सेल्फी प्लीज मत लगाया करें, और विद अ स्माइल ऑन योर फेस एंड डिस्क्राइब योर एक्सपीरियंस, योर पास्ट जॉब्स, योर अचीवमेंट्स, राइट योर स्किल्स, योर समरी, योर एजुकेशनल बैकग्राउंड एंड create a proper profile. Use words that would employers search for hiring a candidate. Join more LinkedIn groups related to expertise and share and discuss something on it on which you are expert on. And moving forward, should expand your network on internet. You can create your account on LinkedIn, join groups, you can write blogs, you create your account on Twitter as well, and figure out what hashtags employers are using when they look for a candidate in order to hire a same candidate, in order to hire a position that you are looking for. Last but not least is ad. Obviously employers के पास इतना टाइम नहीं होता कि वो अपना आपका नाम हर एक कैंडिडेट को सर्च करें गूगल पे. So what you have to do is to develop a impactful resume. तो उसमें आपको क्या क्या मेंशन करना चाहिए, प्लीज अपना आउटडेटेड ऑब्जेक्टिव मेंशन मत किया करें. What you have to write is a branding statement describing who you are, what you do and how you do it. Also mention your skills in it. Furthermore आप अपनी एजुकेशन क्वालिफिकेशंस मेंशन करें, अपनी डिग्री टाइटल मेंशन करें, कहाँ को इंस्टीट्यूशन मेंशन करें, ड्यूरेशन मेंशन करें, CGPA मेंशन करें. इसके अलावा आप अपनी पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस मेंशन करें, उसमें अपनी जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन बताएं, आप क्या काम करते रहे हैं, और उसके अलावा आप अपनी अचीवमेंट्स शेयर करें. नेक्स्ट यू कैन ऑल्सो राइट योर if you are a fresh graduate and you have no experience, you can write your internship experience, your volunteer experience. You can write your projects से बहुत ज़्यादा impact पड़ता है employers में. It helps them to shortlist you if you have mentioned your projects, what you have done during your academic time period. So write your projects, write your skills, both soft skills and hard skills. Then the third chapter is there are over 10 million vacancies available each month. just see the surface behavior or the form of the job hunt is always changing as it is determined with the technology. टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ साथ जॉब हंटिंग के स्ट्रैटेजीज और तरीके चेंज होते रहते हैं. एज टेक्नोलॉजी राइजेस, कंप्यूटर्स यूज होता है, इंटरनेट यूज होता है, स्मार्टफोन यूज होता है, डिजिटल रिज्यूमेज आ गए हैं जो कि पहले नहीं था विद टेक्नोलॉजी. तो टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ साथ हमें अपने आप को अपनी स्किल्स इन्हांस करनी चाहिए, अपने आप को अपडेट रखना चाहिए. So, for example, अगर आप you are searching for a job or you are out of work now, don't be hopeless, because in this world today you have more power than you think. There is always something you can work on, something is there that is within your power. So job hunting is not a science, it is an art. Some job hunters know how to do it and some are not aware. They are newborn knowing how to do it. So जैसे कि UMT में OCLP है for students to guide them on their job search. तो उसी तरह ऑनलाइन भी कोचिंग, काउंसलिंग होती है स्टूडेंट्स के लिए for job hunting. So please don't be hopeless and disappointed if you are not getting a job. Job hunting is always mysterious. You may never understand what things sometimes work and sometimes do not. कभी कुछ काम कर जाता है और कभी नहीं करता. So just keep on trying. There is no always right or wrong thing, wrong way to hunt for a job or a change careers. It changes with the passage of time. Anything may fail to work under certain circumstances, certain times, certain employers, under certain employers. So job hunting is also a full-time job. If your job hunting isn't working, you must increase the amount of time you are devoting to your job hunt. So possibly अगर आप enough time दे रहे हैं अपनी job hunting पे और आपको interviews की call आ रही है तो that is fine. But if it doesn't lead to a job, then you must spend or devote more time to it. So that is all from my side. Good luck.